Where are we going?
Paris.
And just like that, despite all the COVID confusion, we were off for another amazing European adventure. Here we come.
Oh, we gotta get a taxi, it looks like.
We gotta figure it out.
After overpaying for a taxi service, we finally arrived at the Paris Marriott Opera Ambassador Hotel. Hi, I'm Matt.
And I'm Rach.
For years now, we've enjoyed traveling the world together, near and far.
Whether it's creating lifelong memories, diving into distant cultures of the world, or just satisfying our craving to go somewhere new.
We invite you to come along to experience life's journey with us.
When we were looking for a Marriott Brand hotel in Paris, the Opera Ambassador Hotel really caught our eye for a few reasons. It's right in the center of the famous Opera District in the 9th arrondissement.
Luxury shopping, great brasseries, and classic Parisian bars highlight this district. You are only a 5-minute walk down the street to the famous Galeries Lafayette shopping mall.
A 5-minute walk to the beautiful Opera House.
A 12-minute walk to the Plaza Vendôme. An 18-minute walk to go see the Mona Lisa at the Louvre.
A 22-minute walk uphill to Montmartre if you are looking for a workout.
And a 21-minute walk to the Plaza de la Concorde.
So now, let's go inside this property and see what it has to offer.
Something that really stood out to us was the fact that this property looked a bit more upscale than a standard Marriott property. It had a really cozy and warm atmosphere. Kind of reminded me of a Renaissance.
And during Christmas time, everything in Paris seems to have a special charm.
When we checked in, our upgraded room wasn't ready, so they actually let us have a temporary room to rest since it was so early in the morning. Talk about great service. Well. We are here in Paris.
Yes, we are. Tired, but we're here.
Yeah, we didn't really sleep. It was a 6.5-hour flight. So we are at the Marriott Opera Ambassador Hotel. And this is not going to be our room.
They were nice enough to give us a courtesy room.
Yeah, the gentleman was super friendly at the desk, and our room won't be ready till 3 o'clock. It's not even 8 o'clock in the morning, so they're going to give us a courtesy room. But so far it's looking good, and we did get upgraded, so I'm really excited to see what that's going to look like. But another thing I want to talk about is how easy it was to get in here.
What, downtown?
No, in the country of France.
Oh, yeah, it was. But and to their credit, to do anything, I think, we don't know yet. We're going to have to go get our green pass at the pharmacy a little bit later, and I think that's why they don't. Yeah. But the American Airlines checked all our stuff before we got
here. So when we checked in to get our tickets in Pittsburgh, they took all of our information as far as vaccine goes and all that. And we got to France, they took our passport, stamped it, and literally walked into the country. Pretty crazy, didn't even ask what we're doing here. So I found that a little bit odd, especially during these times. But we're gonna check out for now, get some rest, and check back in. We got an awesome itinerary set up here the next couple days in Paris. Take care. All right, they just called. Room's ready. It's like what, 11 o'clock?
Yeah, just about.
Just about 11, so not too bad. 3 hours.
Yeah.
So we're gonna head right next door. All right. So literally just went right next door. Oh yeah. A bit of a bigger feel to it, huh? Yeah, you come to Paris, you can't expect to have a big room. This is a decent size. Nice size TV.
It's a big bathroom.
See the bathroom. Oh. Yeah. Very nice. This will work. We have a fridge.
I think it's a mini bar.
It's a mini bar. Go ahead and open it up. There's room for waters. That's enough. That's all we need. USBs at each end of the bed, so you don't have to worry about messing around with these plugs here. So they have a lounge on the 8th floor. We're gonna go see if we can get some waters. They have a happy hour later. We might have to check out. See what that's like. And then we also can get breakfast there. Europe always has good deals with lounges. It always seems.
Much nicer.
Yeah. Much more put together than American ones. Okay, so we think it's important to mention that there are a few ways to gain access to the lounge. It's really not everybody who stays at the hotel. One is, of course, if you're a Marriott Platinum status or higher. Another is, I believe you can just pay for it. And then also if you book an upgraded room. Those are some ways to get in. And if you're staying here, we'd highly recommend getting access if you can. You can stop in any time of the day to grab water, tea, soda, snacks, and yes, even beer. Rach having a tea. Not a bad view, huh?
No.
The Eiffel Tower. And a crane. There was no way I was passing up a free Heineken. And for the record, they taste a lot different in Europe in a very good way. Okay, time to head up to the lounge for happy hour. You won't want to miss happy hour because there was free food and free wine. So this is nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Little sandwiches, a little pasta, wine, red and white. There was even some liquor over there, I think.
I think they did it for 2 hours.
Yeah, for 2 hours, so not bad. Not a bad spread for a happy hour. We got, they have all the wine you can drink really till like 9:30, which is nice. They have some beef and rice. Little bites.
I just eat
So they also have nice little desserts. Really
I
good.
just ate the raspberry tart.
The raspberry one was good. I didn't get it on camera.
This looks like one of those Turkish delight.
Yeah. Good.
It's lemon
Ooh,
meringue.
really?
Or lemon. There's no meringue on it. So.
Lemon custard?
Yeah.
When the happy hour ends, the hotel bar in the lobby is a great place to go hang out as well. The hotel lobby bar has a wide variety of cocktails, beer, wine, and champagne, and the prices really aren't that bad either.
Here.
Closing out Paris.
One last drink at the hotel bar. Cheers to a great trip. Alright, so that's breakfast here. Overall thoughts of the hotel?
I like it a lot. The location. It seems newly renovated. The lounge is the extra.
Yep, lounge access is nice. I'd stay here again.
Whenever I'm in France, my breakfast of choice is a fresh croissant with jam and, yes, of course, Nutella.
So we hope you enjoyed this video on the Paris Marriott Opera Ambassador Hotel. If you're planning a trip to Paris and want to stay at a Marriott or use your Bonvoy points, you may want to consider staying here.